So, sir, in your experience, what is the one of the most unexpected questions a patient has asked?
Actually, we cannot say it's unexpected or amusing whenever they come to us, whatever they feel regarding their symptoms. So it could be illogical, it could be funny sometimes, but we cannot say it's unexpected because it's pretty common from their point of view. Now it's our job to clear those miscreants or misconception. So we cannot say it's unexpected. So we can, for us, it's expected.
Our second question is, how do you view patients relying on online searches for symptoms? Does it assist awareness or lead to more confusions?
So there is a pros and cons. Pros are like because patients are getting more aware because nowadays ChatGPT, YouTube, lots of contents are there. Some contents are really good actually. These are quite helpful for the patients. But sometimes believing only like particularly those content or ChatGPTs and all, it might not help to such an extent where they can feel that they are safe. So sometimes believing your nearby doctor, it could be really helpful because the doctor will see you in person and seeing your all detailed complaints, and after that they can like channelize those symptoms and whatever investigations might be required after that. So like it cannot say that it's not helpful, but sometimes we have to generally believe our nearby doctors as well.
Then our third question is, what is the one of the most heartfelt or memorable things a patient has ever said?
It could be little bit cliche nowadays because tension between a doctor and the patient or patient attendant. But sometimes when a patient or patient attendant say that they trust you, the word trust actually it means a lot to us, and we cannot express everything in detail. But actually, whenever I hear all these things from my patient or patient attendant, I feel really good about it.
Have you encountered any patient's reactions or situations that genuinely surprised you during the practice?
Yeah, lots of. Some of them are really good, and a few of them are not that good enough. But I want to remember all these good memories as well whenever they comes to visit for the next time and all. So few patients I met really a family bonding even after that also. So actually, I feel really good about it.
So our last question is, what is a common misconception among patients that you believe needs more awareness or corrections?
Believing ChatGPT too much that you may have a symptom, but if you search all these symptom meaning in Google, they will show so many things. Like it could be something dreadful situation as well. Just not believing them in blindly. So you come to your doctor, discuss your symptoms accordingly, and after that you listen to your doctor what he prescribes or what he suggests for you. I think it should be like that.
Thank you for your time, sir.